To me, an enthusiast is somebody who's chasing a pursuit that they'll never quite find the end of, but it's the pursuit itself that is the passion. It's the refinement of a skill set or a craftsman continually getting better and never ending that journey. As an enthusiast, I would say my pursuit is primarily knowledge. Everything that I come across, from cars to wine, cigars, has my interest, and just learning more about it and the whys behind a certain given set of interest points, or why something's popular, or why something works the way it does is my pursuit. And so continually gaining more knowledge on these different subjects is what keeps me going. My first company was a track day events company, and I put the company together with my best friend. And there was one day where a gentleman from Orange County called us, and he told us that he wanted to come to our track day, and he had the 458 Speciale when it first came out. We lost track of managing the track day and just got involved in enjoying it. And someone made the decision to allow the helicopter to chase the Ferrari on the track at a very low level and high speed, which made for an amazing scene and also got us blacklisted from that track, and the FAA came down on us pretty hard. My favorite cars, probably the BMW 507, a vintage BMW. They didn't make very many of them. At the time, the Corvette was the big car. The BMW wasn't as fast, it was more expensive, so they didn't sell a lot of them. But looking back and looking at the car, it's got to be one of the most beautiful cars on the planet. It just has amazing lines, and it has a story, and it has a uniqueness to it that a lot of cars don't. Sitting around the table in this room, talking to people of all different backgrounds, ages, from different industries, but having that commonality of passion really created a group of friends that I don't think you can create almost anywhere else in the world. And there was something so special about how that came together, and so seeing that through in a better setting and improving upon what we had here, and creating an atmosphere for those people which doesn't exist, in my opinion, in the city or even in the world at the moment, is what we were looking to do from the start. But really, recreating, it's a homage to going home. I think what I'm most excited about experiencing with the bunker is the community. Getting a big group of like-minded individuals in a room leaves little to the imagination and little out of the range of possibility. And I think that will be the most amazing component. At the end of the day, the bunker isn't the four walls that make up the building. It's the people inside of that building and what happens there. My best advice is just start. So many people get so caught up in, what if I can't do this? I don't know how to do this. I don't have the skill set. And so often it's just getting started and figuring it out. Take so much from that, come to a room in which you didn't know anything the day before and speak as if you know exactly what you're talking about, but also being humble enough to know when you're out of your depth. I think at the end of the day, you have to trust your gut. That involves taking calculated risks sometimes, and involves moving and not just staying stationary or sitting and thinking about an idea or an action for too long. If it seems right and if it has the makings of something that could be great, you have to go for it.